Lawyer Miguna has announced that he has submitted an application for the position of Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP. In a tweet shared on Monday night, Miguna confirmed his formal expression of interest in becoming the successor to Nordin Haji, who was appointed as the new National Intelligence Service boss by President William Ruto on May 16. Miguna's tweet explicitly stated his intention, saying, "For the avoidance of any doubt, yes, I have applied for the position of the Director of Public Prosecutions." By making this public declaration, Miguna has demonstrated his eagerness to take on the crucial role of leading the prosecution service in the country. Renowned lawyer Danstan Omari has also voiced his interest in the DPP post, joining the list of individuals who have publicly declared their aspirations for the position. The Public Service Commission, on June 29, published an advertisement outlining the requirements for the DPP job. The applicants must possess a minimum of 10 years of experience as a superior court judge or be a professionally qualified magistrate. With the departure of Nordin Haji from the position, the DPP role became vacant, prompting the need for a replacement. Following his nomination, Haji underwent the necessary vetting process and received approval from Parliament's Defence and Foreign Relations Committee on June 13. Subsequently, he was sworn in as the new National Intelligence Service boss on June 14. To initiate the selection process for a new DPP, a 7-member committee responsible for the recruitment of nominees was established. The committee, which was commissioned on June 27, comprises notable individuals such as COTU Secretary-General Francis Atwoli, Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission's CEO Twala Bumbarak, and Solicitor General Shadrach Mose, among others. This panel will undertake the important task of evaluating potential candidates and recommending to President Ruto a suitable individual to assume the role of the Director of Public Prosecutions. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenya News channel.